Hi, my name is Alison and I'm a Principal Clinical Scientist in Genomics in the Rare Disease Laboratory at the North Thames Genomic Laboratory Hub. So what is a clinical scientist? A clinical scientist is a medical professional who supports clinical staff in their work with patients. In genomics, we analyse genetic alterations in a patient's DNA sample to identify possible causes of inherited or acquired disease such as cystic fibrosis or cancer. So what do we do as clinical scientists? We are involved in the interpretation, analysis and reporting of results which are generated by the technical workforce. We communicate with clinical colleagues and other healthcare professionals. We can be involved in research and development, translating new technologies into routine diagnostic service and developing new testing strategies. We are involved in quality assurance and we are involved in training of the laboratory workforce. What is the impact of the work of a clinical scientist? The results of a genomic test can help find a diagnosis for the patient. This can determine which treatment, if any, is appropriate for the patient. It can provide information on the prognosis for the patient. The clinician can then use these results to help them decide how to manage the patient and their family. So how did I become a clinical scientist? I undertook STEM A-levels such as biology and chemistry, and then I applied to university to undertake a BSc in genetics. During my summer holidays, I had the opportunity to undertake work experience in a local genetics laboratory. I then undertook an MSc in medical genetics, and on completion of this, I applied to become a trainee scientist. I undertook 2 years of scientist training, which allowed me to gain experience of various disorders and techniques utilised in the laboratory. Following this, I became a registered scientist, and I then undertook a variety of professional qualifications over the last few years, and I am now a senior scientist who manages a team and ensures that we deliver service for a variety of disorders. In addition to this, I'm the laboratory training lead and I take responsibility for training in the laboratory, and I'm also involved in training on a national level. My career advice for you is that when opportunities arise, take them. Seizing new opportunities can be key to your professional growth and can help advance your career. Thank you for listening.